Guys, what's going on? Roadrunner here. So it's Sunday, and I just turned 23. Not today. It was this Thursday of the week that we're in right now. And there's Xena walking around. So yeah, I'm now 23, and nothing really special happened. Uh, I don't really do birthdays anymore. I don't see the point of it after you turn 18. I think truthfully, it's kind of boring because of the fact that you don't, people these days, especially these days, nobody really wants to do anything. Everybody's usually busy, which is fine, especially with jobs. But for the most part, nobody just really wants to do anything. So because of that, I just really don't care much for birthdays. If anything, I went out, I did a job that morning, got paid $40, and then after that, I just came home and probably laid around the house all day. I don't remember. So I ended up getting from that job because I was cleaning out the back of a car wash for the guy renting it, and he told me I was allowed to take this metal cabinet. And so the idea behind this cabinet is I like prepping. I'm just not that big. I'm not that. I'm not the kind of guy you would see on Doomsday Preppers. I believe in having a good, especially during disasters, because I've been through Rita, Katrina, Ike, and Harvey within the last decade and a half. Yeah, within the last decade, I've been through 4 different hurricanes, and I've been through different storms, ice storms. I've seen tornadoes up, not close, but from a good 10 miles away. Well, I wouldn't say 10 miles away, but a good 4 miles away at least, 'cause that's a bad number. But my philosophy is if you have a house, especially a small one, and you're on a low budget, you still can uh, try to have some backup preps, as they like to call it in the prepper community. And so when he gave me this metal cabinet, my idea was because of the fact that I just found some food in the dumpster on my last video. A couple days before that, I decided, okay, this is what I'm gonna do. I got 2 different tarps up here. I'm gonna keep getting some more tarps and stack them up here. Right here, once I get the money to do it, I'm gonna stack up some toilet paper right here. Down below, I have 2 boxes of baking soda at the moment. I like baking soda. I use this a lot to clean my teeth, as well as do cleaning and deodorizing and stuff like that. Uh, all the stuff right here, with the exception of the peanut butter and the jelly, all this stuff right here is the stuff y'all saw in the video that I just did recently of dumpster diving over at Family Dollar. And so my point is that all my excess food that doesn't go in the kitchen and all the food I find dumpster diving and such, I'm gonna leave here on the shelf as backup food, just in case. And of course, like I got my blue chrome cup along with some eating utensils and stuff like that, as well as some foam plates and whatnot. Down below, I don't have any storage yet over in the washing room, so I leave my OxyClean Arm & Hammer soap pads, the 3-in-1 power packs right here, as well as some Homeline detergent. Got my machete right here. And then, being out near Pilgrim's Pride and such, I find abandoned, thrown away gloves on the ground all the time, so when I get them, I wash them as soon as I can. These are all washed. My food ration tin that I did a video on, and I'm not sure what I'm going to put in this yet. We got a hardware store nearby that I really like to go to, and so you can get a pound of nails for $1.79. So I got nails in this little coffee container, as well as a good hammer because I'm going to be doing some projects soon with wood pallets. Down below, right here, as you can see, I've got my military jugs, canteens, for water, and I also got, I'm gonna start basically putting water jugs right here on this bottom shelf. And then I'm not really sure what to put on this shelf right here, so if anybody has any ideas, that would be nice. And then below that shelf, I also have my Woobie blanket. If I can get it pointed right there. I got my Woobie blanket and a wool blanket. So basically, I'm hoping that I can make this as sustainable as possible, and I'm trying to get right here another one similar to this, or maybe a wooden one. So yeah, stuff like I've been trying to make it organized, you know, because I mean I got these ones right here, and then this one right here, but the problem is this used to be a window right here, and the shelves are good. It's just they don't hold a lot of space compared to this one, and so I'm trying to get this one reorganized. This one over here, I'm using it for VHS tapes, because when I was a kid I was a huge fan of VHS tapes. I still love them to this day. They're cheap and easy to get, and most of my favorite movies are on VHS, and I do not like DVDs. So anyways, that's what I've been working on. Another thing I'm going to try to get is from Walmart. It's a wagon. The red ones you normally see me use if I'm on the road. Hush. Hey, knock it off, okay? I'll let you on in a minute. The idea with wagons is I can only hold so much stuff in my rucksack, and so I figure if I'm going to go dumpster diving, collecting cans and stuff like that, I need to have a wagon with me, because if I'm finding food and clothes and copper and stuff like that, I need to be able to actually haul them, and I can't haul them if my rucksack's full, you know. So I'm also trying to get that. But other than that, everything's fine. Nothing really to complain about, but that's a good thing. That is a good thing. I'm hoping I can probably do some more dumpster diving videos next week, depending on how the schedule with the skating rink goes. So other than that, we're fine. I gotta get ready for work though, so if y'all give me a day, I'm probably tomorrow gonna do another video. So, peace.